In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily stop sharing posts from Instagram to Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, then head over to your profile, tap at menu icon and select settings. On settings, scroll down to the very bottom until you find Meta Account Center. Just get into it. You will be taken to this page where you can easily find sharing across profiles. Just tap on it. And on the next step, you will be able to select your Instagram account. If you got multiple Instagram accounts, as in my case, select that account for which you want to stop sharing posts to Facebook. After that, you will be able to customize automatically share feature for that Instagram account. So now, as you can see, all Instagram stories, posts and reels are being shared to that Facebook profile. If you want to stop sharing stories, just turn off that feature next to your Instagram story. If you want to stop sharing other types of content, you can easily do so in the same way. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.